Hey guys, welcome back to Oldtimer Garage. So today I have a new car in the shop and I just want to share that with you. So if you've been following the channel for a while, you've probably seen this car a couple times, but this is a 1956 Citroen 2cv AZ model. It's been imported in the US.
Daddy, I found a problem. It's just broke.
You think that's what it is? It's been imported into the US in 1956, brand new, from Belgium, as you can see here on the firewall. That was imported by Beverly Hills Citroen dealership, and well, it hasn't run for quite a few decades, but the idea is to restart it, and then it should go to Sweden for full frame-off restoration and hopefully be presented to the Retromobile show in Paris in 2025. So for now I just have it here to get it restarted. I just got it in here, and yeah, we'll get working on it. So the first thing that I want to do is show you around a little bit. Basically there's not much left to it apart from, well, the engine and transmission are in there, but I mean, the engine is not even bolted onto the transmission right now. Of course, all the rubber is gone, the engine mounts are pretty much inexistent. I've placed a big part order today, so we should have that in the next few days, and after that we'll try and restart this engine. For the rest of it, then it's got the few specific things that the 2cv made in Belgium had, like this steering wheel, for example. I think this rear view mirror was one of them too. Of course, the blinkers on the front fenders, and they have the same thing at the back that were specific to the Belgian market, or what's left of them, like this door for 56 that the French cars didn't have. Same for the back window. And it also has a few specific things that the US market required back then, like the bigger headlights that are here somewhere. I haven't taken anything out yet, but my daughter wanted to work with me today, so she came with me, and we're gonna work on this car together, huh? Yep. Yeah, we are.
Hey Daddy, can I see if there's oil coming down from the car?
You want to check if there's oil in the engine?
Yeah.
Okay, check it in here. That's here. Just pull that up. Pull it. Stuck? A little bit. There you go.
Daddy, you should get some gloves.
Try and pull it. Up, up, up. Up. Right. Is there oil in there? Almost nothing. Just a little bit.
We should get more.
Yeah, we need to clean everything up first.
Yeah. That's what I was trying to tell you. That's why I cleaned with my gloves.
Okay. Alright. So, as you can see, I mean, the exhaust and muffler are missing, but they're in the back. I saw them this afternoon. As you can see, it's missing the bolts and nuts for the engine and transmission to stick together. It's got the 425 engine with the 3-bolt exhaust manifold, or intake exhaust manifold. It's missing a couple of things here for the heat boxes, and it's got the centrifugal clutch, but it's stuck. So I mean, the engine is not seized, but the centrifugal clutch is. Maybe it'll come back around when the engine restarts. We'll see about that later. I've taken all the front end out and started to clean up a little bit, because as you can see, there's a few decades worth of gunk and old oil and dust and everything. So I'm working on that for now, and I already placed an order yesterday for over $400 worth of parts, so as soon as that gets in, I'll take care of that, put them on. As you can see, there's still quite a bit of work to be done on it. The engine is not even connected to the transmission right now. But for now my only focus is to get the engine running, restart it and running. After that we'll see if we go any further with brakes or anything else, but for now that's what I want to focus on. So I'm gonna keep cleaning it up, and as soon as I'm done with that, hopefully the parts will be here in a couple of days or so, and then I can do everything else on it. Okay, so again, here the point is not to do a full restoration, so don't jump on me for not cleaning up everything perfectly and everything, but I just want to see if the engine will run. I know it's not seized because I turned it over yesterday. The centrifugal clutch is blocked in there, but next I'm gonna try and take the engine out, block the transmission there, take the engine out, and see if I can find anything wrong with the clutch. Might as well just check it, and after that I will it's not perfect, but much better than what it was. Alright, let's see if we can take this engine out of there. Well, that one is easier than I thought. So the engine is here. Funny how small it is, just laying on the ground. And actually I got a good surprise. The centrifugal clutch is pretty nice. I mean, all the lining is still pretty thick, and usually they're worn out on one side more than the other. This one is pretty much brand new, even on the other side. So now I just need to block this transmission there so I can get the floor jack out and get started with the engine.